Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If your Barracuda, the Razer Barracuda X mic is not working, then this video is for you. So you all know that this mic is adjustable and you can plug it out and plug it back. So you have to try to plug it out and plug it in back and see if it works. So make sure that there is no technical or hardware issue with this mic. So if there is any hardware issue or anything is damaged in this mic, then you have to change this mic from the Razer website. You can find it, you can search for Barracuda X mic, only search for it and you can find the specific mic that they are selling and you will be able to purchase this. Now, but before that, identifying any hardware settings, before that you have to go with the software issue and check for any software issue. Now first you have to open your desktop. Now I'm on Windows 11 right now. Now from here you can find this sound icon. Right click on this sound icon and you can find this sound settings. Simply click on it, or you can find troubleshoot sound problem. You can simply go to the troubleshoot sound problem and Windows will try to detect the problem if there's any problem with software issues. Now you can go to the sound settings. Now here you can see I'm on sound settings. Now from here you can find different types of audio system that are connected right now on your system. Now from here you have to select the Barracuda X. You can find Razer Barracuda X just like this, and you have to select this, or you can add a device by pairing here. And also from here you can find choose the device for speaking and recording. From here you can find the microphone. Simply click on this, and from here when you find Razer Barracuda X and you can find this here, you have to simply click on that. From here you have to make sure that you have simply click on allow button. Here you can see it is allowed here, that's why it's currently running. So you have to make sure that you have to simply click on allow, and here you can find the format. So you have to select the maximum format here and input volume to the 100, the max. So just like this, and from here you can test your microphone. Here you can find the test, start testing. So you have to start test and see if it's working or not. Then from this test you can be assured about if there is any technical or software issue. Now when you have done this, you can just do is go back, and from here privacy and security, you can find the privacy and security. Go to the privacy and security, and from here you have to simply search for microphone. Here it is, app permission, microphone, and make sure that microphone access is turned on. You have to toggle this button on if you find it's turned off. Now another thing that you have to do is simply click on your start icon and simply search for device manager. Here it is. Now simply click on it, and from here you have to search for sounds, video and gaming controller, and from here you have to find out the Razer Barracuda X. So you have to simply click on it and right click on that, and you can find update driver. Now simply click on this update driver and simply click on search automatically for this driver, and if there's any update available for your driver, then you have to install it instantly, and that can fix your issue. And you can do is unplug the mic in and mic out plug with your PC first and clean the port and try to plug it out and plug it back again gently and see if it's working or not. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.